Hey, the first video shut off. I don't know why. My phone was after 4 gig. It just went. But anyways, we're gonna finish doing our outlines here. I just cut under the nose, if you remember, to a depth of 3/4. 3/4 of that blade right there. And now we're gonna pan down and we're gonna split below the lip a little bit and do the inside of his mustache and where it's going to cross over itself like this, right? It's going to come down and cross over. So we're going to cut the two lines of the top side of the mustache. So I guess here we go. Again, let's hope that nothing goes wrong this time. And it's going to be in a bunch of parts anyways. So here we go. I'll get better. I promise. Get a better editor. We'll do that. So we'll pan down so you can see a little bit better. Or pan, whatever the hell you call this. I'll go down just like that. Look at that. Smooth. Alright, here we go. Glasses off. A little dirty, yeah. Grease all over them. I'm like a freaking 3-year-old with glasses. Tectus. Mr. 3M. Here we go. Glasses. Yummy. Alright, let's rock and roll. So we're going to split down here, right? And I'm going to do all this to a depth of half of my bit. Here we go. Over my 4-leaf clover, but I know what blow. Drop this down. And here we go. Enjoy that. There. Get that out of my stupid glasses. There we go. Now the lines are all cut out. As you can see, I slowed down here. Started running in a little bit of rot damage from. Looks like they had a couple bolts running through at different times. Probably a cross arm or a transformer on that pole. And we got a bit of rot there popping out, like the same as here, both sides. Like I said, it'll make it unique, and we'll have to work our way around it. You just got to do that with wood. You can't force it. You know, a little warp and bend and whatever, and you can try to mitigate what happens, but most of the time it's going to do what it wants to do. So you're better off going with it. It'll tell you what it wants. All right, so got that down. I'll take this off the tripod and give you a little bit of a closer look. So yeah, let's do that. It's going to get a little rocky here for a second, so hold on. There we go. So now we'll come up. If you can see our lines in here, it shows the depth at all. All right. The hair will start up here, and then we'll slowly pan down. There we go. Keep saying pan. Pan side to side, right? All within the gauge, right? Different. Half of the bit, half of the bit, half of the bit. If you can see that, if I can show it. Like in there, if you can see that. Half the teeth, anyways. And then deeper down here as well, right? Deeper there. And we'll go right down. There we go, the nose. Now you can kind of see how the beard or the mustache is going to part anyways. Right here, right? And then we're going to have, once we carve this away a little bit, then we'll put a bottom lip in. And then we'll hollow that out. Almost bore a hole in there. And that'll form our mouth. Pretty easy. You know, little tip there. You just drive your bit up in it at an angle, and there's your mouth. Then we'll come down. I ran into a bunch more rot, but here you can see where the two sides of the mustache are going to cross over each other. Now I stopped down here because we're getting into some more little bit of punky stuff, and we'll deal with that next time after I take a look at what I'm into, and then we'll continue the beard here. See, this knot is going to be where the beard comes off of the chin, so this is going to be a high point. Factor that in. It's much harder to carve a knot and round it and get it smooth, to sand your teeth marks out of it, because those bits are pretty aggressive. So the harder the wood is, the teeth marks are going to get in there, and you're going to have to spend way more time sanding than you're doing anything else. And who likes sanding? Not me. That's why there's 1,000 projects that are carved and not sanded. So back on. Here we go. Rock and roll. Yeah, I got, what else? I think that's about it for today. It sucks that the video cut off, so I hope you're somewhat entertained and maybe a little bit of education here. Yeah, I think that's it. So next time we'll be removing some of this, probably with the Dremel again, just to, like I said, get stuff backed away. It also, when you start using the big die grinder, it's aggressive and grabby and stuff. I want to stay away from these lines. I want to smooth and taper everything away. So if you end up grabbing that, like, it's unforgiving. So if it jumped, it's going to take a big chunk out of everything. this stuff's pretty soft, right? It's probably some kind of Douglas fir or cedar or something from out west or up in wherever they get it from, the swamps. And I don't know, lived this life holding up wires for a long period of time. But anyways, thank you. And the next video will be coming out soon. Hopefully we get some, decent weather, because I like to do big tools outside, because in this little environment right here, it's loud and it kicks up dust. So yeah, thanks for coming. Hope you tune in next time, and see you later. All right, Jake out. Thanks, guys.